Here we have today's lecture: levels of organization. Organizational levels in organizational behavior. Organization behavior can be studied at three distinct levels: individual, group, and organization. Each level examines different aspects of how individual groups interact and function within an organization. Here we have three levels: individual level, group level, and organizational level. So, individual level. At the individual level, organization behavior focuses on understanding human behavior and aspects that influence work performance. This includes factors such as personality, motivation, attitude, and perception. Example: an employee named Sarah is motivated by a sense of achievement and recognition. She sets high goals for herself and seeks feedback to improve her performance. By understanding Sarah's individual motivation and characteristics, her manager can provide opportunities for recognition and career development, leading to increased job satisfaction and productivity. Secondly, group level. At the group level, organizational behavior examine how individuals interact within team and groups. This includes dynamics such as communications, leadership, and group cohesion and conflict resolution. Example: a project team in a marketing department is working on a new advertising campaign. The team members have diverse skills and backgrounds, and effective communications and collaborations are essential for success. The team leader encourages open discussions, assign roles based on strength, and resolve conflicts promptly. As a result, the team works cohesively and delivers a successful campaign. Third, organizational level. At the organizational level, organizational behavior looks at the overall structure, culture, and process of the organization. This includes organizational design, culture, policies, and how organization adapts to external factors. Example: a multinational corporation implements a new organizational structure to improve efficiency and communication across its global offices. The company's culture emphasizes innovation and it adopts flexible work policies to attract and retain top talent. By aligning its structure and culture with its strategic goals, the organization achieves better performance and competitive advantage. So, lastly, we have conclusion: understanding organizational behavior at the individual, group, and organizational levels provide valuable insights into how people interact and function within organizations. By addressing the unique dynamics at each level, managers can create a positive work environment, enhance team performance, and achieve organizational success. So, this is all about our today's lecture. See you in the next lecture. Take care.